How to make accessible logo on web pages. This is the first video. I use JAWS Screen Reader and Amazon Web Services homepage as an example.
Skip to main banner. Navigation region. Visit link. Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage.
Logo is exposed to screen reader as a link labeled as click here to return to la la la. I can press insert F7 in JAWS to get full list of links on this page.
Links list. Dialog. Links. List view. Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage. To 130.
So we have 130 links. How they are labeled?
Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage 2 of 130.
Click here to return to.
Contact us 3 of 130. Sign in 4 of 130.
Just sign in without click here to go to the page where you can sign in.
Products 5 of 130. Solutions 6 of 130.
The same for all other links. What I want to say.
Home. Skip. Click here to return to Amazon Web Services homepage. 2 of 130.
No need to add click here to return to. It should be removed.
Escape.
And what it could be.
Cloud Computing Services - Amazon Web Services left paren AWS right paren dash.
I have modified this page locally.
Skip to main banner. Navigation region. Visit link. Amazon Web Services homepage.
Amazon Web Services homepage. And this is enough.
Links list. Dialog. Links. List view. Amazon Web Services homepage. Contact us. Sign in 4 of 130.
It is now labeled well. Now we will see what ARIA says about links and labels.
Providing accessible names and descriptions vertical bar APG vertical bar Y vertical bar W3C.
On this ARIA authoring practices page, we can find the following.
Next margin. What are accessible names and descriptions? Heading level 2.
What are accessible names and descriptions?
Next margin. An accessible name is a short string, typically 1 to 3 words, that offers associate with an element to provide users of assistive technologies with a.
This is a short string, typically 1 to 3 words.
Next margin. Rule 5 : compose brief, useful names. Heading level 3.
Rule 5. Compose brief names.
Next margin. Similar to how visually crowded screens and ambiguous icons reduce usability, excessively long, insufficiently distinct, or unclear accessible names can make a user interface very difficult, or even impossible, to use for someone who relies on a non-visual form of the user interface. In other words,
So, long names can make screen reader interface difficult to use.
Heading level 2. Composing effective and user-friendly accessible names.
Composing user-friendly names.
Bullet convey font. Bullet put the most distinguishing and important words first. Often, for interactive elements that perform an action, this means a verb is the first word. 4.
Put the important words first. Click here to is not most important words. Most important word in that link is Amazon Web Services homepage.
Bullet be concise. For many elements, 1 to 3 words is sufficient. Only add more words when necessary.
And be concise. So again, no need to add click here to return to. And what was the change?
Task switching. Cloud Computing Services. Dev tools. Less span greater Amazon Web Services homepage less / span greater. Preview item. Selected. 1 of 2.
So the change is pretty simple. Please see my next video how to make accessible logo on web pages.